What up, guys? My name is Sam. Today we're in a blizzard. Alright, this is 9 inches of snow outside. Today we're trying to build a snow penguin. So let's try to get started. Alright. Alright, I think we got the base done. I think we got the next part down. But, you know what, actually, Center, genius. This is a snow penguin. I'll give you a full view. Oh, no. I get to see. You doge. Alright, I know it's really small, but, I'm gonna try to make a bigger one later. My face is turning red. Let's decorate this dude. At this point, my iPad gets, like, frozen, and basically I have to run upstairs and my snowman gets destroyed. Fail, James. Just fail. Alright, what are we doing exactly? No one knows. What do we want to do? No one knows. Alright, the snow is definitely sticky, I can tell you that. Make a decent snowball. I think we're gonna try to make another snowman. Do you hear that? It's the wind! Oh no. Ooh. Whoa! 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 Oh my goodness! Oh my goodliness! What's going on? Yo! Oh my god! Blizzard!